So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our CRK JAMB exam revision series, we have here these 17 JAMB update questions to answer on the topic grade and its effects. So guys, this video will be about Gehazi, so ensure to stay till the end of this video. Let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, what did Gehazi deceitfully receive from Naaman? We have A, 2 talents silver and 2 shekels of gold. B, 2,000 shekels and 2 festal garments. C, 2 festal garments and 2 talents of gold. D, 2 talents of silver and 2 festal garments. So guys, the answer to this question here is option D. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So the next question we have here is question number 2. It says, Elijah knew of the covetous acts of Gehazi because A, he went with him in spirit. B, he saw him from afar. C, he saw the gifts with him. D, it was reported to him. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, he went with him in spirit. So let's go ahead and check out the next question, guys. So here's the next question, question number 3. It says, Naaman's leprosy was transferred to Gehazi as A, the gifts he received from Naaman. B, the bath Gehazi took in the river Jordan. C, the gifts is given to Gehazi in the river Jordan. D, Gehazi's disobedience to God. So guys, the answer to this question is actually option D here. Naaman's leprosy was transferred to Gehazi as a result of Gehazi's disobedience to God. And that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and check out the next question, guys. So the next question here, question number 4 says, Gehazi's greed made him to request for the gifts which was rejected by Elisha, his boss. And the gifts include A, 2 festal of garments and 1 talent of silver. B, 2 talents of silver and 2 festal garments. C, 2 talents of gold and 2 festal garments. D, 3 talents of silver and 1 festal garment. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, 3 talents of silver and 1 festal garment. So that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question. So we have here question number 5. It says, what was the consequence of Gehazi's greed? We have A, he became a slave to Naaman. B, Naaman's leprosy cleaved to him. C, he was asked to cleanse the temple. And then D, Elisha sent him on exile. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here. Naaman's leprosy cleaved to him. That's it for this question, guys. So let's go ahead and check out the next question together. So guys, the next question here is question number 6. It says, am I God to kill and to make alive, that this man sends words to me to cure a man of his leprosy? Prophet Elisha responded to the king's reaction in the statement above by A, directing the nation of Israel to pray and fast. B, directing the leper to offer a sacrifice. C, asking for a prophecy concerning leprosy. D, requesting the leper to come to his house. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. Let's go ahead and check out the next question, guys. So we have here question number 7. It says, what did Naaman request for after he was healed? A, that he should be given the scripture and image of Jehovah. B, that Elisha should come and settle in Syria since he refuses his gifts. C, 2 bags of talents and festal garments. D, a small quantity of sand from Israel. So guys, the answer to this question is still option D here, a small quantity of sand from Israel. So let's go ahead and check out the next question, guys. Alright, here we have question number 8. It says, upon coming back from receiving gifts from Naaman, Gehazi A, presented the gifts to Elijah. B, never returned to Elisha. C. Denied having left the house. D. Wept bitterly and asked for forgiveness. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. Denied having left the house. So that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and check out the next question together, guys. Alright, we have here question number 9, guys. Gehazi was the servant of A. Elisha, B. Naboth, C. Jeremiah, D. Elijah. So guys, the answer to this question is option A. Elisha. Let's go ahead and see the next question here. That's question number 10 here. It says, how is it that you have agreed together to tempt the Spirit of the Lord? The statement above was made in reference to the greed of A. Judas and the scribes, B. Gehazi and Naaman, C. Ananias and Sapphira, D. Ahab and Jezebel. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, Ananias and Sapphira. So that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So guys, the next question here, question number 11 says, Gehazi was the servant of A. Elijah, B. Elisha, C. Jeremiah, D. Naboth. So guys, the answer to this question here, like we've checked already, is Elisha. So that's option B here. Let's go ahead and check out the next question, guys. So it says here, Dash deceitfully took 150 pounds of silver in 2 bags and 2 changes of clothes against the wish of his master. We have A. Naaman, B. Judas, C. Naboth, D. Gehazi. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, that's Gehazi. Let's go ahead and see the next question together, guys. We have here the next question, question number 13. It says, Gehazi's greed made him take dash and dash from Naaman, and he was punished with dash. Alright, so guys, we have here option A, garments and silver, then leprosy. So option B, silver and gold, then leprosy. Option C, silver and gold, then blindness. Then option D, food and clothes, then blindness. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here, garments and silver, then leprosy. So he took garments and silver and then was punished with leprosy. And that is for this question. Let's go ahead and check out the next question, guys. So that's question number 14 here. It says, Naaman's leprosy came upon Gehazi because Gehazi was A. notorious, B. rebellious, C. adulterous, D. greedy. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, greedy. Let's go ahead and see the next question together, guys. So we have here question number 15. It says, Gehazi's greed made him take dash and dash from Naaman, and he was punished with dash. Okay, so guys, we've seen this already. And we know the answer to this question here is garments and silver, and then he was punished with leprosy. So that's option B here. Let's go ahead and check out the next question, guys. So we have here question number 16. It says, Naaman's leprosy was transferred to Gehazi because Gehazi was A. covetous, B. ambitious, C. anxious, D. contemptuous. So guys, the answer to this question is option A. covetous. Let's go ahead and check out the next and last question together, guys. So guys, here's the last question, question number 17. It says, one derivative lesson from the story of Gehazi's greed is that A. dishonesty should not have been a ground for cursing Gehazi with leprosy. B. we can, by ourselves, through materialism, cause the destruction of generation yet unborn. C. we should be wary of accepting gifts from the unrighteous. D. as servants of God, we must endeavor to readily demand gifts from those we help. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here. We can by ourselves, through materialism, cause the destruction of generations yet unborn. So that's it for this question, and this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below, and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on JAMB examination. So this will help you a lot even as you prepare for your JAMB examination for the year. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.